Inspiring quotes to deepen your connection with nature's beauty. Nature's beauty is a gift that cultivates gratitude and appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Immersing in nature reveals the profound connection between all living beings and the earth. Witnessing a sunset reminds us of the transient beauty and the need to cherish every moment. Forests teach us the strength in diversity, showing how varied elements create a harmonious ecosystem. The ocean's vastness invites introspection, encouraging a deeper understanding of our place in the world. Embrace nature's wonders. Subscribe for more inspirational content.